So good morning guys, I just woke up and I'm here to have fresh air. Oh, the air is so nice and fresh, very nice. I'm actually gonna go out now and go for breakfast. My nose is blocked because I slept with the heater on, and I slept so nice, so nice, very nice.
Together, let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Yeah, I wanted to go for a walk, but I'm actually late for breakfast, so I'm just gonna park and then pick up some of my things. I'm actually gonna pick up now because I messed around everything like so much, and I don't like to leave things in a mess, even though it's like a hotel. Yeah, what is next? Just quickly. Yeah, sure. Okay, I'm just gonna bath and then I go for breakfast, and then I'll come and do everything once I'm back. And because I'm really late. Just want to take my charger because these are the little things that I can forget sometimes, and I don't want that to happen because I'm gonna feel bad. I'm gonna feel bad if I don't know. My nose is blocked and I don't like using this. I don't really like using it. Yeah, let's go back. Like, come shower with me. Let me show you the view. Look how misty it is. Very misty. People are jogging. People are jogging. So this is my good morning view, and the sea is like really busy. And okay, the sensor is trying to look for me. And this is me in a tower. Trying to go for breakfast. Having my hoodie on as well. And just unmatching socks because the girl was feeling cold. Excited for breakfast because I don't know what his name. And then we move on to our next destination. Let me just close this because I know for sure I'm gonna get out of the bathroom naked and I don't want people to see me. Yeah, so only look how messy the place is. Very messy. And I'm going to pour. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys later when I go for breakfast. Yeah.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm dressed. Whoa, my armpit they're all on. Yeah, need to clean it. I'm dressed for breakfast, just having my jacket on and a short with a top, and yeah, just a simple and flat shoes. I'm done, so I'm just gonna eat breakfast and then I check out and move to my next destination. So let's go for breakfast. How do you like my earrings, guys? I bought these earrings for $5 Namibian. I know.
Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Actually, I have to order from the menu.
Yeah, you can order from there and then you can also
Top up. Okay. Two extra rushes of chicken, pieces of chicken, and steak Can I have the castaway? Castaway. Yeah, please. You can't actually see me. So guys, I'm having breakfast here and the view is breathtaking. As you can see, that's the sea. I don't know, you can't really see it. It's a sea. Yeah, you can see it's right there. And I'm all alone here. And it's quite very beautiful because they actually have a menu for breakfast. They don't have like a standard breakfast like as in other places. They have a menu and they still have like other goodies that you can get from the table. And I just ordered like a heavy breakfast, very very heavy but very nice. I love this place, very very good. So yeah, I'm enjoying my stay here. So my breakfast is ready. This is my view. Very beautiful view indeed. This is what we're having for breakfast. Very, very nice. Can't wait to dive in. It's literally like almost a whole meal. Look at that. Very, very nice.
Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
You don't have Tabasco. The green one, the mild. So checkout is a 10, eh?
Sorry?
Checkout.
Yeah.
It's a 10. Thank you.
Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever
back to my room, pack up, and go to my next destination.
Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
This is actually my room. I left it locked, so I would actually have to come back again. This is beautiful. Let's go for a walk. Sidewalk. This place is really beautiful, guys. This is how the building looks like. And there's many other buildings that are close to the sea. Oh, but it's cold. But it's cold. It's very cold. Yo. So beautiful. I don't know if I'm gonna touch the water now because it's very busy. But I think at my next destination, because now it's cold. It's very cold. Isn't that gorgeous? That's where the restaurant is. Very gorgeous. Gorgeous. The sea is busy. Very busy. Close up to the sea. Guys, I cannot get close because it's just too busy. I'm actually looking for something that I can take along, like a souvenir, something pretty. Oh, I must not fall. I see something here. There's like a nice, look at this. Black stone. Don't mind my nail, guys, they just fell off. These are shells. I don't actually see a pretty one. There's also this one. Seashell. This is pretty good. This one is quite a different kind, like really hard. My man is yawning. Gorgeous.